Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Chairman, Governing Board of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, Mr. Chiedu Ebe, says the board of NDDC under his watch will ensure that the commission no longer works at cross purposes with state governors in the Niger Delta. Mr. Ebe, who recently led NDDC board members on a courtesy visit to the River State Governor, Sir Similaye Fubara, at Government House in Port Harcourt, assured the governor that going forward, the commission will close ranks with state governments to achieve better results in its mandate to bring sustainable development in the region.
Members of the governing board of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, led by Mr. Chiedu Ebe, officially reported at the commission's corporate headquarters in Port Harcourt shortly after they were inaugurated by the Minister of Niger Delta Development on the 16th of November in Abuja. Addressing reporters upon arrival, Chairman of the governing board, Mr. Chiedu Ebe, said members of the board came prepared to transform the Niger Delta region and set it on the path of accelerated development.
We're going to work as a team, and we're going to bring in new ideas. Of course, the MD has been here for a couple of months, so we're going to sit down and get a lot from him, and then we'll all bring our respective experiences and to bear as well as we now try and reposition the commission.
Members of the board, including Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the agency, Dr. Samuel Ubuku, later paid a courtesy visit to the River State Governor, His Excellency Sir Similaye Fubara, to familiarize with him as well as seek his support as they get down to work. During the visit, Mr. Ebe noted that it was imperative to collaborate with state governments to enable the NDDC fulfill its mandate to transform the Niger Delta region, adding that the board would work closely with governors to deliver President Bola Tinubu's renewed hope agenda.
We will need to partner with not just our host state, River State, but with all the 9 states that fall within the commission. Because if we don't do that, then it means that we may not achieve our set objectives.
In his response, Governor Fubara assured the NDDC team of his administration's readiness to collaborate with them and ensure that they succeed.
We are going to work with you. We'll give you all the needed support to make you succeed for a common purpose, the development of our estates.
In a related development, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ubuku, has enjoined staff of the Commission to give an unflinching support to the new management team to enable them improve on the Commission's service delivery to communities in the Niger Delta. Dr. Ubuku, who introduced the newly inaugurated executive directors of the agency to staff during a management meeting at the Commission's corporate headquarters in Port Harcourt, said the new team was formidable and united in purpose.
To be to the best of interest for all of us that this team is united. It will not pay you if you try to divide us.
For their part, the executive directors said they would work in unity with the managing director, Dr. Samuel Ubuku, who had been working tirelessly to bring succor to beleaguered communities in the Niger Delta.
All we demand from you is cooperation. The same cooperation that you have given to the MD and the last board. Just give us that same cooperation.
With the leadership of our MD, we are prepared to work with him because he's determined to create a record for this NDDC and
where others fail, this particular team will not fail. What stopped the others will not stop us.
Members of the NDDC governing board and management team also assured staff of improving working conditions as an incentive for improved service delivery.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Inside the Niger Delta,